If you've forgotten your Gmail password, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover it step by step. This is the fastest and safest way to get back into your Google account, whether you forgot the password completely or you just need to verify your identity with Google's recovery system. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official accounts recovery page, and it's the correct place to start if you need to recover your Gmail password. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address into the field, then click Next. Google will now ask you to confirm that you're trying to recover this account. If you remember your password, you can type it in here, but if you don't worry. Just click Try Another Way. This is where Google will begin showing you different recovery options based on what you have set up on your account. You may be asked to enter the last password you remember using. If you know even an older password, type it in as accurately as possible and continue. If that doesn't work, Google may offer another method, such as sending a verification code to your recovery phone number. In that case, select the phone option, check your device for the code, and enter it on the screen. If you have a recovery email linked to the account, Google may also send a code there, so open that email inbox, get the code, and enter it when prompted. In some cases, if you are already signed in on another device, Google may send a prompt there asking you to approve the sign-in or recovery request. If you see that, simply follow the prompt on the other signed-in device and confirm that it's really you. This can be one of the easiest ways to regain access. If Google asks for additional verification steps, follow each instruction carefully and complete them exactly as shown on the screen. The key here is to use the recovery method that you still have access to, because Google uses those options to make sure the account is being recovered by the rightful owner. Once Google verifies your identity, you'll be taken to the password reset screen. Here, create a new password that is strong, secure, and different from your old one. Try to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After typing your new password, confirm it one more time in the second field, then click Save. And that's it. Your Gmail password has been recovered and updated successfully. You should now be able to sign back into your account using your new password. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.